Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not alone, as you see I'm with my bestie. Today I'll take my first interview, so Taya, are you ready? I have a lot of very intriguing questions for you.
Yes, I'm ready. Yeah. Congratulations with first interview then.
Which man's qualities can conquer your heart?
Respect.
Respect, okay.
That I see that he respects me, my feelings, and he's very cautious with me. He asks me, "Is this okay?" I touch
I
you,
like
for
that.
example. Like for me, like oh wow. Man should be initiative. He should be confident, but it's always a balance. When he feels it's okay to touch my hand without asking, or there should be a balance between being confident, because need a man who is like who knows what he's doing.
I like that.
But meanwhile he should be respectful. Complicated combination. Also, of course, a sense of humor, intelligence, and if I can just cherish him, that's already a sign.
If I mention the word pleasure, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
Well, pleasure can be different in different senses.
Okay, yes.
Pleasure, it's always something warm. It's always something you love. It doesn't mean a person, just in general. So pleasure, it's something we live for, basically. Pleasure while we eat food, pleasure while we are doing our hobby, pleasure while we are kissing and stuff like that. So it's a mix of pleasures.
Mix
What
of
do you
pleasure.
think about that?
I'd say that you need to feel happiness at the same moment. I mean, for me, pleasure means happiness. So you need to feel it, just like embrace your feelings at the same time. On which date will you let yourself to be kissed?
So if it happens to be that I'm dating with someone more than one date, it means that I'm already ready to kiss. Okay, 1 or 2 dates.
Guys, pay attention. If you have the second date with Taya, that means you have big chances. So yeah, if you have the third date, it means, more chances. Okay, Taya, if you're picking me a man, which one would you choose for me?
Well, I think I know Maryna enough what she's looking for. She needs a man who knows how to treat women.
You're absolutely right. I like that. Amazing.
Yes.
And by the way, guys, if you're looking for a lady, don't forget that Taya has her own website where she can help you with choosing not only for me, but for you as well. So guys, you'll see the link right now. Taya, what is love for you? Can love exist without sex?
Oh, what is love for me? First one. For me, love is full of emotions. It's when you can't wait to see a person, when you miss a person every second, when you are thinking about the person. But not poisonous love is when your love motivates you to do something, but not controls you. So if love controls you, like you don't see yourself living without this person, it's not good. Love should motivate you being a better person, and you should teach each other something.
So the second question is, can love exist without sex?
Yes, but not in my case. Sure, yes, of course. If we talk about relationships between man and woman, yeah, it's just a part of relationships. But I don't see myself
Without it.
without this part, so yeah.
So guys, keep it in mind. What are your thoughts if your man will support you financially?
I would say yes. For me, the main is not that he supports me financially. It's when I feel from him that he is ready to give me everything, including money, including his time, his energy. So if I feel that he wants to support me, he insists doing that, I will be only happy accepting this. What about you?
He needs to be sincere with me, and if he wants to give me presents, that's totally okay, but he shouldn't be greedy at that moment.
The main is your wish, that you have this wish, not when she is forcing you to do that.
With his open heart. Without
course.
it, It's nothing. It's nothing.
Yeah.
And oh my God, you will get the most precious gift from ladies. Their energy. I would say this is so precious. If you get the energy of the woman that loves you, oh my God, you'll be so powerful. You can accomplish your goals much faster. Trust me.
Maryna, coach.
Do you think that men need to shave their armpits, groin, and chest?
No,
No.
no, no. It depends on how hairy, of course.
So, do you like hairy guys? How do you feel about that?
It depends on level of hairiness. It's a very personal question.
Okay, intensity.
So yes, intensity. Maybe Caucasian guys, not white, but I'm talking about Caucasian, Middle Eastern guys. They are very hairy. Maybe that's too much.
Okay.
But like if you're like a regular guy, no, you don't have to.
If you're from Middle East, you need to shave a bit.
It's also about hygiene. So the armpits, it may change your hygiene, may change your smell. So if you feel that, it's a girly, but I smell bad, well, you rather do that because there's a looking bad, looking girly, and a smell. Like you're waiting this. So you better think about how you look better, and that's it.
Maybe it's one of the reasons why I don't have a girlfriend, because like you just you just yawn, and she's just like and after that, yes, your date is over. Sex with a stranger. You went on a vacation and you feel so good. You
want to
you want to have some fun. You met a guy. You feel like good vibe, and how do you feel?
Sex without emotions for me is not interesting. I need to feel that a person wants me, not just sex. If I feel that he has feelings for me and he cherishes me and I turn him on, then maybe. Like theoretically, maybe.
Emotionally need to connect, feel comfortable with each other.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
I would say same. I need to trust this person. How can you do that if you don't trust? Maybe he's, I don't know, like a murderer. Who knows?
Guys, maybe you can confirm this, but what I think is our thoughts works only for girls. So guys will have different opinion about that. For them, like if they see girls physically attractive, it's okay. It's fine. Live at first sight.
Yeah.
So I think it's about us having different opinions.
You're right.
If we talk about in general, if we take this situation in general, I think that every girl would say the same as us.
Yeah.
Talk about normal, serious girls.
Serious.
So I think most of them will agree with us.
Yeah. But guys, drop a comment. Let us know what are your thoughts about this question.
Serious question.
Yes, very, very serious question. Do you mind if a man smokes, or do you prefer a non-smoker?
Non-smoker. Not acceptable. I don't smoke. I don't smoke anything. Electronic cigarettes, shisha, and the more I get older, the more I become pickier because like. Why I need someone with whom we don't have the same hobbies or the same lifestyle? He wants to smoke, I don't want to smoke. I don't feel any enjoyment from this process. I don't like sitting in a room in a restaurant where it's all in the smoke.
Guys, so it's time for you to give up smoking. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed our lovely conversation. Taya, how do you feel?
Oh, I feel like someone was listening to me and to my opinion. It's been a while since I had someone ask me questions, so I hope it was useful. You enjoyed this. You made some
notes.
Yes. It clears something up. You find out something new.
Yes, about us,
we feel,
about Taya. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.